Okay, so let's look at the very first tutorials that should go on CapCut. This I would call an introduction before your main work starts on your video. The first tutorial should be how to split your audio and take out irrelevant spaces that might not be needed. So the first thing you would do is to treat your audio. Treat your audio. So let's look at this video. So we want to treat this audio before we start to do anything to it. And then you tap on this video right here. You can see this is what we call this track here is called the I can call it track line. So we have, you can see we have about 3 tracks here. We have the video track, we have the audio track line, we have the text track line. Now you tap on the video track line. You tap on it to highlight the video, and underneath here we have icons which you would use to treat your audio beneath this video. Let's see, the very first thing we do, it's the volume. We need to work on the volume, so increase the volume by tapping, and then let's put it at maybe
we are making millions, but your future is
400 is okay, and then we highlight. So always remember, when you put your background music underneath this video, you would use this volume button to adjust your music background down, and
we are
then
making
you
millions.
increase your
We are
audio,
making millions,
the video,
but your future is
your main audio. Okay, so but now we just want to treat our audio for our video before we really dive in more. I've shown you how to increase your volume. Next thing is to remove the noise. So just while you are still on this icon that appeared when you highlighted your video on the video track, you shift we see reduce noise icon, and then we tap on that and just highlight. But this, you can see this is a pro feature. Let me go back. What is pro feature? When you see this diamond, these diamonds on certain icons, it means that if you are using a free version, you can make use of those icons. If you use it, before you can export your video, you must subscribe to the pro, or else you have to go remove the use of that icon, or rather that feature on your video. So this is a pro 2, and I believe that every crusader should, at least in no time, upgrade your CapCut to the pro version. So but I'll be showing you basic features and also the pro features. It doesn't mean that you can't work with CapCut with and get good stuffs even with the free version. You can. So back to this, you can see it's a pro feature, but never mind, you will get it. Just click on reduce noise and then click on
we are making millions,
on the switch.
but
Doing that, if you listen to your audio, if it had noise on the background before, it will be clear and neat. Next, you want to add effect on your audio, and let's see where we can get our audio effects. Reduce noise, audio effects. You see, it's beautiful. Audio effects. So click on it. List of effects comes out, but while you have so many free versions, the free versions could be sounding maybe like robotics, but there is this pro if feature which I love, the mic hug. It's a pro feature. You can see the diamond on it. So since I'm using the pro version, I can use it here. Just tap on the mic hug.
we are making millions.
I can also adjust room size, work on
We are making
the strength and all of
we
that
are
to my
making
taste,
we are making
and
millions.
then I go out of there. So if you want to know how each works, put in more.
We
Listen,
are making millions.
you heard the adjustment. So when you put in the full strength,
We are making
you will know what that tool is for, and you know if you need it at all. Then you know how to reduce or add to it. The strength, the same thing.
We are
I don't
making
need, I can add more
we are
strength.
making
You
millions.
heard it, so I don't need it to be that strong.
We are making millions.
I bring it down and tick this button here, the check button, and that's it. You now have it in this. So for the basic class here, what you have learned before you start slicing your video, because if I go slicing this video now and I click on, when I now have it sliced, you can see it's sliced now, and I want to make any adjustment here, and I click on this audio, it is affecting only this part. So before you do anything, I can click the undo to redo that. Before you do anything to your audio or to your video, increase the volume first. So that feature of the volume button, it is a free stuff right here, free of charge. So just make use of it. Add volume before you start slicing your videos. On the next tutorial, we then talk on how to slice your video.